Alright, so 25 deals with, this is just a complex number. We just have to divide complex numbers. So this comes from P6. We have to make sure that we have all the domains written down as well as far as what must be excluded from the domain or my restrictions. So the first thing I want to do, what I would tell you with any of these is to kind of forget about, let's just forget about the bottom and let's just worry about the top. Okay? So let's do one thing at a time. So whenever we do one thing at a time, I'm just going to put it over off to the side. If I have 3 minus 1 over x plus 3, and if I'm gonna add or subtract fractions, what do I have to have before I do that? Common denominator. So what do I need to have the 3 multiply the top and the bottom by to where it's going to be x plus 3? X plus 3. So I'm going to have 3 times x plus 3 here, and then I'm going to have x plus 3 minus 1 over x plus 3. So then I'm going to combine the top, I'm going to combine the bottom. So whenever I do that, I have 3x. I'm just going to kind of combine, just so I don't have to rewrite it as many times. I'm going to have 3x plus 9 and then minus 1. So as far as the top part of my complex number, I'm going to have 3x plus 8 over x plus 3. So before I even start, just with the top side, what can x not be? What's one of my restrictions? Negative 3. Now let's focus on the bottom. So the top's taken care of, so we're going to kind of forget about the top. So what do I need to do again here? Same thing. So now I'm going to have 3 times x plus 3 over x plus 3. But now it's going to be plus 1 over x plus 3. Same thing if I would distribute 3x plus 9. So then the top side of the bottom is going to be 3x plus 10. Bottom side is still just x plus 3. The only restriction is still the same thing that I had of x can't be equal to negative 3. Okay, so there's really no added restrictions to any of this. Now, from here, it's completely up to you how you do it. You can either leave it stacked, or you can turn it into a multiplication problem. Okay, I would say for the most part, the majority of you would probably rather, just from dealing with you and working with you for the past summer, or the past semester rather, not summer, wrong word, would be to take the 3x plus 8 over x plus 3 and then multiply it with x plus 3 and 3x plus 10. What do we do? Well, we change to a multiplication sign, or change the multiplication, and then we flip there. So then what's going to happen? X plus 3's cancel. So then my final answer becomes 3x plus 8 where x cannot be negative 3. What else can it not be now? or 10 over 3?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All we had to do down here at the bottom was just, since we had a new restriction, we needed to set that equal to 0 and go from there.